We are the Cliftons and we own our power.
Well, what made us decide to do both roofing and solar was because our roof was over 20 years old. When the sales guy, Mark, came over and told us that they also do roofs, it was like, wow. I'm very pleased with my solar so far because we have saved so much money just for my Christmas bill. And just, it was cut more than half. I mean, that alone just speaks for itself, and I was really surprised by that bill. And like I said, we saved so much money. It looks good. I'm very proud of it, and I'm very proud showing it to anybody that wants to see it. It's free energy out there, and why not take advantage of it and relieve the electric company a little bit of their pressure of producing all the electricity.
I just want to save power and save money.
I just want people to know about it. I want people to have the same experience that I have. There's a way to save money, just to let people know about it and give them a choice to get the same savings that I'm getting.
She is saving money, and that's a home run. I mean, who cannot be excited about taking back that bill, taking control of your power bill, and owning your own power?
People should just take advantage of that.
We are the Cliftons and we own our power.